Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locating where Python raised name error and inspect the immediate lines. Once found, make sure the identifier is defined earlier in the same scope or imported. If you see a typo or wrong capitalization, correct it now. Python is case sensitive. Also confirm any import statements are present above usage. Run the small isolated snippet after each change so you can see if the name error disappears instead of chasing unrelated code paths. Once done with basic checks, focus on scope and control flow. If a name is defined inside a function, you cannot use it outside without returning or declaring global. Make sure conditional branches actually run the code that creates the name. Otherwise, the name won't exist at runtime. For modules, replace wildcard imports with explicit ones or reference module. Name. If you refactor code, update all call sites consistently. Rerun tests to confirm the fix across different execution paths. You finish by executing the whole program to ensure the name error is resolved in real conditions. If intermittent, add temporary diagnostics like printing locals and globals at suspected points to see missing keys. Also consider defensive patterns. Use default values, try / except around dynamic lookups, or validate imports explicitly. One key troubleshooting tip: if the name still isn't found, search for duplicate module names or circular imports. Renaming a file that shadows a standard module often fixes hidden name error causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.